Cities are constantly growing, constantly moving, and we're here to keep that movement going.
From time to time, elevators break down. Escalators may get stuck.
But our 24,000 service technicians worldwide have a simple goal:
to reduce your downtime
significantly. Service is the heart of our business.
And it doesn't matter if your equipment is our own or another brand's.
That's guaranteed by us.
Global network of field engineers and product experts,
Specialising in third-party equipment in Europe,
The Americas,
Middle East,
Asia,
And Australia. We assist our colleagues with reverse engineering research,
technical publications, training and support. Ready to help 24/7.
We develop state-of-the-art connectivity solutions and equip every service technician with the best tools and skills.
so they can deliver high-quality service to you.
we are available by phone, by video,
and if necessary, we'll always come to your site personally.
Wherever we are needed, any place,
anytime.
One-of-a-kind service support for our customers' benefit.
For you.